Welcome to our Montessori math class. Teach your child primary level math through Montessori method in our free online class.
Hello children, welcome to our math class. Today we are going to learn numbers 7, 8 and 9. This is number 7 and I'm going to show you how to trace on number 7. 7. If you have this worksheet with you, you can start tracing on number 7 on your worksheet. And let me show you how you're going to trace on it. Now you can trace on your worksheet on number 7. This is number 8. Let's trace on it. Now you are going to trace on number 8 on your worksheet. This is number 9. Here you are going to trace on number 9 and you are going to start from this black dot again. Let me show you. Now you are going to trace on your worksheet on number 9. Here I am going to show you some numbers and please tell me what those numbers are. What is this? This is number 9. Yeah, you're right. What number is this? Did you say 8? Yeah, this is 8. What number is this? 7, 8, 9, 7 again. Good, you did a very good job. Now let's practice again. Here we are going to find number 9. Let's start. Is this number 9? No. Is this number 9? Yes. Let's circle it. Is this number 9? No, this is 8. Is this number 9? Yes. Is this number 9? No, this is 5. Is this number 9? Yes. Here we are going to find number 7. Is this 7? No. Is this 7? No. Is this 7? Yes. Is this 7? No. Is this 7? Yes. 7 again. Now let's find number 8. Is this number 8? No. Is this number 8? Yes. Is this number 8? No. Is this number 8? Yes. Is this number 8? Yes. Is this number 8? No. Okay, we found all our 7, 8s and 9s. Now here we are done with today's lesson. See you next time. Bye bye.